Okay, let's try something different.
Welcome back sa ating channel guys. No? So ang itatry naman po natin ngayon guys is yung MC Hit. Napakagandang hit ng mga mas at mga madam. No? MC Hit naman po guys, at kung mapapansin nyo, unlimited busy na nga po ito guys. No? So tara, try na natin guys. Let's go. Siyempre kakalabahan natin guys ay ang kalaban po natin ay yung Memphis Grizzlies. So ito na po guys. Let's go. Na po guys, so click na po natin yung play Memphis Grizzlies versus Miami Heat. Uy, napakaangas naman ito guys. Yan o, Ja Morant to, Marcus Smart, Satch Eddie. Okay, Jaren sa si Desmond. Ano sa kabila, syempre Miami Heat tayo, Tyler Hero, Shrusero, Bam Adebayo. Kasi ito guys, Jimmy Butler. Okay, start na natin to guys. Hindi natin patagalin pa, no? Magtalong na kayo dyan sa ating ang ball. Sa kanila. Pero agong tayo guys. Uy!
From beyond the arc.
Nice one. Ito, sa akin.
Grizzlies on defense.
Ito sa akin dito. Uy! Grabe naman yun. Nagbakaw si Koya. Bakit nagbakaw si Koya? Lain natin.
With one hand and flushes it down.
Medyo nalito tayo dun ha. Dito naman. Kasi naman sa akin oh. Ito oh. Dito na ako oh. Nice one oh. Nice. Okay, pakitang gilis tayo syempre. Hindi pa siya moot.
And about a minute gone here in the first quarter.
Magyata.
For three.
Dahil ang pagpaling mo.
Jackson. And that's off the glass and in.
Dito yan. Pasa mo sa akin guys. Awas ng jersey natin eh.
On a follow just like he got there.
Makita niyo ba yun guys? Bumelo lang. Bumelo lang ako doon. Bumelo lang eh.
With head coach Eric Spoelstra. And what you find out, Doris?
Uy.
Poked away.
Nice. Baba. Ang
push it up.
dito.
The finish.
Uyo.
The
Grabe naman ito. Pakaangas. Uy. Sayang, na-steal ko na sa ano.
Grizzlies will retain
Hindi
position
ka na
here.
pagkaka-steal eh. Ilang bawi tayo. Okay, change formation. Hey.
Here in the first quarter with about 2 minutes gone by. And it's going to be a goaltending call here, so they'll count the bucket.
Ang taas ito na din.
Almost got to that shot in time, but not quite.
And guys, nasa ang bago pala kayo sa ating YouTube channel guys, so click na lang po yung subscribe button kung nasa Facebook page naman po yung click na naman po yung follow, no? Siyempre dito yan. Uy, yung tapan.
Miami as it goes out of bounds. The Heat
Grabe,
retain
tukbas pa sa atin
possession.
ang bola.
Six on the shot clock. And
This
he gets
one.
it to go.
Not trying to rattle
Ito nang
any
gawin
rims
ko
or
na
racks
magpipigilan,
there.
no?
Just up and in with the
Ang
finger
gawin
roll.
magpipigilan guys.
Knocked away.
Nice.
Good
Uy.
shot opportunity. And he's in
Dito
for the layup.
malikod all 8 na tayo. Dito bigay sa akin. Dito. Ito. Uy, na-ankle break.
Here comes the break
Shit.
for the finish.
Uy, grabe naman
Lands
yun.
at the rim with the jam.
Namang nasa
Yeah,
tanong siya
he
guys,
called
hindi tayo
time here.
papayag. Hindi tayo papayag guys, kailangan alamang din tayo dito.
And the Grizzlies making a change here.
Kung gusto nyo ito laruin guys, nasa pin comment lang po yung link nito at yung tutorial ha. Nice.
Hammered. And he'll
Foul na lang.
curve the line. The first one's
Nice
blocked.
one.
And the Grizzlies making a change here. He hits
Nice
both from the
one.
strike.
So yun guys, nang ganito na lang po yung gameplay natin about dito sa may MC Heat, no? So God bless po sa ating lahat at ingat po kayo.
They could use a
Kita-kits po
big
tayo sa
shot
next
here to
video
get
guys.
this offense going.
Okay, let's try something different.